Yes, you read it right. Galaxy Z Fold 5 prototype is out and we are getting some big internal changes on the Fold 5 which you guys will love to have on the Fold 4 last year. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now Samsung just came out with the Galaxy S23 Ultra and we are starting getting news regarding the Fold 5, and one of the most important part, the new design change we are going to get on the Fold 5. Now here's a leaked image of Fold 5 along with the Fold 4. Now can you see the difference? Well, it is not confirmed if it's Galaxy Z Fold 5 or later models, but it is certain that Samsung is going to use a new hinge design for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The teardrop design just like the Apple A9 II. So there will be no gap when phone is folded. Samsung filed a patent for this type of hinge in 2016 but didn't implement on the foldable phones because of one big reason: the IPX8 rating for water resistance. Samsung first gave IPX rating on Fold 3 and now they implemented the same thing on the teardrop hinge. That is the reason we are going to get the teardrop hinge on the Fold 5. Let me know in the comments. Are you guys going to get Galaxy S23 Ultra or you will wait for the Fold 5? Due to this new hinge design, Samsung also started working on crease management, and if they achieve this, we could see less noticeable crease on the Fold 5 compared to the Fold 4. And if you really want to see how it will look like, then look at the Apple A9 II, then you get an idea. Things didn't stop here. Fold 5 could come with the built-in S Pen. They'll listen to the users and could find a way to put S Pen in the Fold 5. To be very honest, I don't think Samsung will do this for the Fold 5 just because of space limitation. And if the prototype image is true, then there is no chance we're going to see the built-in S Pen on the Fold 5. Yes, it will support S Pen just like the last generation Fold 4 and Fold 3. Now some of you guys might thinking about Galaxy Z Fold 5 cameras. If you think we are getting 108 megapixel main shooter on Fold 5, then there is a bad news waiting for you. Because Z Fold 5 could potentially come with the 50 megapixel main shooter just like the Fold 4 but with a different sensor. Although we are getting a selfie shooter update from 10 megapixel on Fold 4 to 12 megapixel on Fold 5, not a big difference here. If you are looking to get Fold 5 for cameras, then I would suggest you to get Galaxy S23 Ultra with 200 megapixel camera instead of Fold 5. If you guys want to see how Galaxy S23 Ultra battery life will look like, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.